Solar wireless infrared beam is infrared beam without power line and signal line. There are 2 beams, 3 beams, 4 beams, 6 beams, 8 beams of infrared beam detector and beam with guidant light. Solar wireless beam has the following features. First, it can be normally used on rainy days for a consecutive year. Not need to replace battery for 8 years. This is the solar panel, which is made of low-light charging amorphous silicon. No direct sunlight is required. As long as it is installed outdoors with ordinary natural light, it can work normally. It can also work in rainy days for a year. With a 3.2-volt rechargeable lithium iron phosphate battery. A battery has a capacity of 500 mAh and can be charged and discharged more than 1,000 times. No need to replace the battery for more than 8 years of normal use. Second, the use of deep hall light guide technology to avoid false alarm caused by the interference of external light. The stepped deep hall light guide technology with 3-degree angle of incident light is adopted for solar beam transmission. That ensures the effective infrared light receiving and no false alarm from other lighting interference. 3 built-in sound alarm. Scene sound warning. 4 beam, 6 beam, and 8 beams are built with sound alarm. When someone crossing the protection line, the scene alarm sounds to warn and deter the intruder. For IP66 waterproof grade to ensure the service life of the infrared beam. The beam is installed outdoors. The internal circuit boards are being avoided by rain mist. However, the solar beam adopts the fully sealed design and the waterproof rating reaches IP66. It works even when the solar beam is completely immersed in water. Completely block the erosion of external moisture to internal components. 5. LCD digital display calibration method makes the installation and debugging reliable and simple. The laser intermediate mechanical calibration hole allows the installer to roughly determine the mounting position of the laser with the naked eye. This is roughly calibration. LCD digital display can directly display the current effective infrared light receiving amount. The larger the value, the higher the alignment accuracy. This is macro calibration. 6. The use of wireless frequency modulation and frequency hopping signal transmission technology. So the wireless signal penetration performance is good and with strong anti-interference ability. The wireless transmitting distance can be 3,000 米 at open area. In an obstructed environment, it can transmit over 1 kilometer. Frequency hopping is the random transmission of signals at different points in time with different frequencies and different channels. The technology can avoid the same wireless code and interference. Seven, solar beam can be compatible with third-party equipment through module conversion. Once the front-end detector triggers the alarm, the third-party device will send alarm notification to the mobile phone and other devices after receiving the switching signal of module conversion. 8. Can be used with various types of alarm host. Display accurate electronic map when alarm. Link video surveillance and mobile app alarm.